So you asked for a video of the situation that I ran into. So I have a couple problems. The first being, actually I didn't even think to bring up, the seat came all torn up, but that was one thing that actually happened. The most important item, or the biggest problem I have, is this. So this fitting, the weld is not complete. See this hole here? There's a hole in this side, and that hole also exists on the other side. Let's see if I can get it in there. Let's see. There you go. So basically, this nut was not put on entirely. So when I put grease in here, it comes out this spot and it comes out on the other side because the weld did not go all the way around the boss. And then the last item I had an issue with is here we have this fitting here. So this fitting is a little loose. And when I go to tighten it, it is stripped. So I got nothing. You really don't get anything. So you can pop it out of here, which I've done a few times. And the threads are stripped, and I don't think it's just this. So we have this piece here, which the threads are beat up, but I think the threads in here are really where the problem is. So that's an issue too. So I can't, when I push grease in here, it comes out around the sides, it won't seat properly and get into the fitting. So those are the, I guess, 3 issues that I have right now. Here's a better view. I pulled this out, so it's pretty heavily stripped. Now, you did provide some extra fittings, which was nice, but they are a different size as far as the thread depth is concerned. So I'm gonna pop that in there as, you know, something to do for now, but I'm not sure what my other options are. But really, the unwelded part is the big problem. So I put the other one in here. It does seem like it's a slightly different diameter fitting as far as this ball is smaller than this ball. I don't think that's critical, but it just can't seat far enough because the threads aren't long enough. I can't tell if the threads inside are beat up, but I at least got it in here to keep dirt from getting in there, but I can't really put grease in it. So those are the issues that I ran into. Let me know your thoughts as to what we can do.